Okay, poured walls, crack, leaks, scrapers in the crack, edge of the door. Right? Right. Rod hole, wide open. Exactly how we found it. A new sill here. The old sill had like almost a 2-inch gap underneath. Now the new sill, it still has openings, so you got to seal all that shit all the way across. And another way water can get in is, see that? See that right up under here? Yep, I got to seal everything up, baby.